Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Continuing on from last week when we talked about the slingers, is the hubs underneath. So quite often you'll run into where the bolts that are put in are a little bit too short and it pulls the holes out of the hubs. There is no way to fix those holes in the hubs. You need to replace them. It's quite an easy part to replace. But just to make sure that when you're installing stuff on there that you use the correct length of bolts, otherwise you will pull the threads out of those hubs. And if you only have 2 bolts holding the turtle on there, you're probably going to end up with some bolts starting to loosen off. And if that turtle comes loose and starts to fly off, you're probably going to knock a shaft off as well. So just something to watch for when you're replacing components. Look at the threads in those holes because they do get stripped out. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.